In Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles northwest of St. Clair shores, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near St. Clair shores around 5 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge, Metro Beach Metro Park Marina, and New Baltimore around 5:10 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 5:50.
Ha! Snicker! What the? A fucking satisfied? What the fuck is that?
Here is the forecast.